Hello everyone, welcome to Abipravi. In this video we are going to see what are the top 3 programming languages to learn in 2020 to get job in topmost IT sectors. Number 1 is Python. Python is the GUI-based programming language used for creating Windows application. It is an open source software and also having user-friendly data structures. Even though it has vast libraries, it's very easy to use. Most of the data scientists nowadays are using only Python. Python also have web frameworks like Django to create web applications and etc. And the second programming language that you need to learn is Java. Java is easy to learn and also having simple syntax. Java is object-oriented programming language, so it use code reusability and allow having high secure for data. Java is platform independent, so it need not to be executed by the compiler. It has more memory than C and C++ programming language. Number 3 is JavaScript. It is easy to use. Java is a client-side language. It can contain server apps. It is fast for end-user programmers. It is very speed and easy to debug.